When I hear the word canon, this is the first thing that comes to mind.
3, 2, 1. That was awesome.
But canon is a multiple meaning word. In music, it refers to a common structure. This is an example of a canon. It's a song called Dona Nobis Pacem. The words mean give us peace. Listen to the song, and then we'll come back and talk about the structure.
Dona nobis pacem pacem. Dona nobis 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 pacem pacem. Dona nobis pacem. Dona nobis pacem. Dona nobis pacem. Dona nobis pacem.
Notice how the canon works. The first performer sings a pattern. Then additional performers sing the same exact pattern moments later. A canon may include 2, 3, or more performers singing the same part in succession.
Dona nobis pacem.
You can try creating an original canon using a story or a poem. Dr. Seuss stories work perfectly for this. Here's an example.
Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam, I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. Would you like them here or there? I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am. Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse? I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am.
You can perform a canon using any instrument, or even if you have no instrument at all. Miss Grady and I are going to demonstrate using a body percussion pattern, And then I'm going to walk you through it slowly, step by step, so that you can try it. Watch. I'm going to break this pattern down into two parts. The first part is stomp, stomp, clap, clap, thigh, 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 clap. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap, thigh, 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 clap. Okay, stomp, stomp, clap, clap, thigh, 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 clap. Part 2 is thigh, 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 belly, 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 snap, snap, clap. Thigh, 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 belly, 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 snap, snap, clap. And then when we put it all together, we have stomp, stomp, clap, clap, thigh, 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 clap, thigh, 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 belly, 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 snap, snap, clap. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap, thigh, 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 clap, thigh, 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 belly, 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 snap, snap, clap. Thanks for watching this video. Now, if you create your own canon using your voice or body percussion or instruments that you have at home, feel free to send me a video on Google Classroom. I'd love to see it. In any case, take care and be well, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.